Some breaking news this afternoon. A tropical depression has formed in the Gulf of Mexico. Addison Green and the entire KHOU 11 weather team are keeping a close eye on this one. So Addie, tell us more.
Eureka, as we take a look at the latest information from the National Hurricane Center, we just did get this update coming on, and as of the top of the hour, it is a tropical depression with winds roughly about 30 miles per hour, and we can see that it's starting to make its way slowly to northwesterly direction, roughly about 9 to 10 miles per hour. But the good news is going to stay in the southern end of the Gulf of Mexico for the next several days due to a blocking high pressure sitting across the eastern portion of the United States. You can see right there those winds making their way from the easterly direction coming in as we're starting to see the system starting to breathe a little bit, seeing those outflow boundaries starting to pop on up across the Yucatan Peninsula. But because it's so close to the landmass right there, it's not going to really get a chance to strengthen quickly over the next several days. Also, that high pressure system keeping it from moving too far. Right here in our own backyard, we do have a lot of cloud cover, and scattered showers are just starting to pop on up across I-10 and just down near the southern end of Galveston Island. We do see ourselves starting off this first day of the month of June on a cool note where the average high is 90 degrees and we only got to the mid 80s. We have several storm chances popping on up as we go through this work week ahead. And of course, we're keeping our eyes on the tropics, especially by the time we get towards the weekend. So it's definitely a good idea, if you don't have it, get that KHOU weather app so that way you can get the latest information as it gets pushed to your phone when it happens. We have 84 degrees sitting outside, lots of clouds. We do have an onshore flow pushing across the area with a lot of temperatures trending in the low to mid 80s. We have a low pressure sitting down there near Brownsville, Texas, helping to bring some moisture onshore. Big area of high pressure sitting across the mid-Atlantic states, and it's because these two systems are sitting right there, we have this push of moisture coming our way, lots of clouds and scattered shower chances from time to time. For tomorrow, it's a 20% chance, very isolated, very remote where you'll be seeing those rain chances come on in. Wednesday certainly looks like a bigger chance for seeing wet weather come our way, especially as you go into the afternoon hours. And as you make our way into Thursday, there's still another chance coming across the picture for areas to the north. Now let's dive down to the tropics, shall we, where we do notice we had the potential Cristobal system starting to make its way a little bit further northward, but it's still interacting with the Yucatan Peninsula right there. By Friday into Saturday, it's starting to make its way across the northern Gulf, but that's still several days away. A lot of things can happen with the path of this system, and also it's early in the season, so usually these systems aren't too strong, although we have seen from time to time systems get a little bit stronger as they approach the adjacent land masses. Tonight, scattered clouds, feeling sticky, 71 degrees for their overnight low. Very small rain chances come our way as you go in towards tomorrow as well with a high of 90 degrees. We have 88 degrees for Wednesday with 40% chance for scattered thunderstorms. Same thing as you go in towards Thursday and into Friday, 90s coming our way. And then we are keeping our eyes, Russ, on the weekend as all eyes will be on the Gulf of Mexico.